Yeah, it's Lugnuts.
Okay. I'm like, that ain't steel.
There we go. So today we're at Longhorn. Oh, by the way, if you like motorcycle content, car content, travel content, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and let's get going. So today we're at Longhorn Harley-Davidson, and we're building a Panamerica Police bike. Now you've probably already seen by now, Laylaw's Harley-Davidson built one. We had some shipping issues with some of our lighting stuff, and it's finally here, so we're finally doing it. And a little caveat: there's a way that the factory, aka Harley-Davidson, wants us to do something, which is what we're going to do right now with the bike that they gave us. But we're very well known for building our own police bikes, so we're going to build the corporate version and the Longhorn version. So that is usually pretty good. What do you think?
Yes. Amazing.
All right.
What it says to do. Huh?
Alright, Jess.
What'd you say?
Get ready to get the smog done?
Yes, sir. It's gonna be nice.
That is the Panamerica that Harley Corporate gave us. As you can tell, it's gray. Oh, gray on the front, black on the back. And I believe we're gonna, not this one, but our own, which is like behind that toolbox. It's a gauntlet gray one. We're gonna either send it to paint or get it wrapped and do a lot more cooler stuff with that than with this, because this is kind of, we're stuck with whatever Harley wants us to do, so that's what we're doing right now. So right now accessories are going on first, and then all the lights will go on, and yeah, let's get cracking.
Put a red amber in here like we're gonna do on mine. So that's a red and a blue, right? So then we need red amber. Yeah, it's Lugnuts.
Okay. I'm like, that ain't steel.
So we're getting rid of mag wheels over here?
Yep. Yes. We don't like mags. Spokes, homie.
Spokes where it's at.
Spokes. Look at them. See that? Man. Zero, dog. Zero, dog. Zeroed out.
All right, so it's been a couple of days since I was back here, and well, there's been some progress, but not a lot, mainly because we have other police bikes that we have to work on as well that are like, you know, needed ASAP. But needless to say, there's about almost 2 days worth of work on this bike, and we're starting to put it back together. It should be, I mean, all together in no time. So let's check out what's going on with Billy.
We got blue lights.
So, as you can tell, we put all the bigger lights on the front, and most of the big ones are going to be in the back, and the small ones will be on the side. The reason behind that is because you want to be able to see this motorcycle from miles away and not inches away. So people can get out of the way, or people can pull over when they see that, you know, at a distance. So we'll turn these lights on. These are Code 3 lights. These are the lights that Harley gave us. Sorry if you can't hear because of all the noise going on over there. It is a shop after all. I'll show you like wheeling lights on that bike back there. That's kind of like our basic package that we build here. And then the lights, the Code 3 lights that Harley gave us here, which are bright, but they're not nearly as bright as wheeling lights. And of course, we're gonna have our own demo bike that will have wheeling lights because that's better than Code 3 lights. So, wouldn't you agree? Code 3 lights are not as good as wheeling lights?
Code 3 are great lights. Wheeling, there's a little more options, and we get to pick what we want on it. This is the motor company's way. They wanted code 3. This is what we're doing for the motor company. We get a little more leeway, man, on the next bike. So yes, the next bike should be even better than what this one is.
So there you have it. So code 3, not terrible, but definitely these are a lot brighter, and I'll go ahead and show you. So that's wheeling lights, and again, this is kind of like our basic build. We did a lot of these. So there you have it. That is, so far we're waiting on some tins, which I cannot, that's all I can say. We're not revealing everything just yet, but it's really cool because we literally put, where's my phone? Well, if I only knew where I left my phone, I have all that info in there. Alright. So here's some stats for you, because we could not, I didn't even know how many lights we put on the Pan Am that we built for corporate, but it really wasn't really all that crazy. So for reference, on the front of this motorcycle, we have 12 lights, including the 2 floodlights, with the sirens mounted below 2 sirens, which we didn't even put sirens on the corporate build. In the rear, the panniers, like the tour pack, even below the tour pack, 20 lights. 20. So that'd be 22 lights total. Not including the headlight, tail light, turn signals, and yeah, it's wild. All wheeling products, because wheeling is kind of the standard when it comes to all this stuff. We use, I think it's called Code 3, which is what Harley wanted, and they're pretty small. And the point of putting all these lights on is to be seen at a distance. It's just, a lot of it is like safety, and a lot of it is, you know, just one need to be seen. So if you're pulling someone over, if someone's rolling down the highway, the last thing you need is for them not to see you and just take you out, which still kind of happens, but that, I mean, that's for obviously distracted driving and whatnot. But anyways, that's all I got for you today. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and yeah, subscribe. Do that right now, and until you see you next time, get on your Harley, 2 wheels, and get some wind therapy. Later!